Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be continuing with our Lego sunflower build. And yeah, we got through 4 steps in like 20 minutes last time and we got this far. So let's get going. Here's the next step. So we are doing every single step twice because we're building two sunflowers. Oops. I think we have one more after this one. Yep. Yep. And I believe they go kind of in the middle on all of them. Oh my god, these neighbors are gonna start making the dogs bark. Somehow they haven't started barking yet. Good. And there we go. Let's check out what our next step is. So, pretty simple. We'll go ahead and show this one too. It just goes in the center of our flower, and this goes... There we go. That goes there. And again, center of flower, and this goes over it. Maybe. There we go. Okay. On to the next pages. And we are starting on the stem. And it looks like we're only doing one of these, so we can move one to the side. Or we'll kind of move both to the side. But we need one of these and a red. And this one here. Go at an angle, then no, like that, and it goes in like that, I believe. Yep. Okay, And now it goes in the bottom of our flower. There we go. On to the next page, which is our second flower. There's that. And it's just a straight shot into our flower. Doesn't really matter how this goes in, does it? No. There's that done. Maybe. On to the next page. And now we're doing stuff twice, so that. This, and then this goes through there. There we go. But we need to do it twice, so it goes in there. Perfect. Now on to the next page. It looks like we're putting another one on our straight flower. There you go. And we're gonna be adding another one to the other flower. So it was red, right? Yep. Okay. And now we're building two of these. So let's get to it. Move our flowers back. Need one of these first. There we go. And I'm just gonna take a wild guess, but I'm gonna guess they go in the bottom down here. Oh, oops. And yep, they go in the bottom. And then we put the leaves on. So okay, got that done. And the leaves go up, it looks like. I don't really like that they spin. Why do they spin? Okay. All right. this up a little bit. And that's sort of our sunflower. And I believe, yep, we're done. So if you enjoyed that, want to see me build more, go ahead and subscribe, comment, leave a like. Comment, what's your favorite flower? I mean, I like sunflowers. I only built them because my wife really likes sunflowers, and I'm gonna put them on her work desk. I'm more of a yellow rose person, so maybe we'll build those if Lego makes them. I'll do some research into it. But I'm gonna move these to the side and show my next build. And I will explain how I got it when I start building it. So the next build is gonna be a tribute to Galileo Galilei, which is just building kind of his office and his telescope and all that stuff. So if you wanna see me build this, go ahead and subscribe to know whenever I start on it. You know, I think I already said leave a like and all that fun stuff, but yeah. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you in the next series. And yeah, see you.